So here we are. We are in midship 8, room 8125, which is an inside room. Let's go have a tour. We just got here, just opened. Your keys would be here. I already took the keys out, guys, but they put your C-Pass, it's called. Come on in, let's check it out. As you walk in, again, inside room, so there'll be no windows, no balcony. This is a, I would say the least expensive way to cruise, right? This is probably the cheapest room you're gonna be able to get. But you still get everything else, right? You still get the things that are included, whether you paid a little bit more. Unless you get into the suite category, then you get some bonuses. But anyway, let's have a look. So as you come in to the left, you can see a nice, good sized closet. You got your life preservers. You got a safe, another shelf here. Good amount of hangers, which is nice. These are some ladders that you would use for the bunk beds. I'll show you where those are in a little while. Luggage rack, this would come down too, so you could put a full suitcase on there. Okay, and we just put our luggage in there for now. You can kind of get an idea how big that is. Good amount of space. Let's go through the room, kind of as you'd be walking in. So this is going to be a bathroom right here, right on the other side of the closet. And on cruise ships, I've noticed bathroom lights are usually always on the outside of the bathroom. Let's have a look. Remember, step up to the bathroom. Hey, look, that's me. What's up, guys? Very well lit. I like the mirror. This is pretty nice mirror. Get a profile. Really, really good. Nice sink, good size. Come with a soap. Another soap, a couple towels. Looks like they just have enough towels for 2 people, which makes sense. A lot of times you just have a couple people in this room. We'll have to call down for some more towels. Again, the toilet and the shower. Nice stand-up shower, good size. Put my hands up. I'm not a very tall guy, but this shower is not too bad. I like the door, how it closes like that. So again, you know, you're in a stateroom. It's not going to be big, especially this inside room. So there you have the bathroom. Another rack here too as well. One thing, I do want to show you in the shower, is they do have this nice little convenient clothesline that goes across. I think you guys can see that. Pretty cool. You can hang your bathing suits on there. So when you're ready to go back to the pool, they'll dry off. Some hooks too on the back of the door, which is really nice, and reminding you to watch your step. As you can see, it is elevated, so you would take, I'm just going to show you, take a step down. Then as we enter in, I took off my sunglasses, guys. Got my Mickey Ray-Bans, even though I'm on Royal Caribbean. And these were the keys. They were in the door. It's pretty cool. They're all sealed up because your C card's in there, which you use, the C card you use for purchases on the cruise ship, or the packages that you've already purchased. They can scan that, and then you're able to access those things. So you have your temperature here. Nice mirror here too. Looks like it's got some lights. Announcement channel. Oh, that's pretty neat. So you can kind of turn on the volume for the announcement channel. International plugs. Very good. Some regular outlets. Maybe that's the light for the, yeah, and there's the light there. What do we got here? Oh, that's neat. I like that. That's cool. Oh, looks like they have some sanitizer. Wow. That was back here. They might have missed that. That might have been a bonus. Again, same on the other side. Really cool. Ice available upon request. All right. And so we have a nice chair. Got the desk drawer opens up. Good storage, 3 drawers there. Another 3. Oh, this is a pretty neat one. Okay, so there's your hair dryer right on that top drawer. I noticed, see how that one's a little thinner. And in here would be your refrigerator. There you go. It does not feel too cold at all. I'm not even sure that that's even plugged in. I'm gonna have to find out about that. I just realized something. Remember, as I was doing the tour, I was telling you the refrigerator doesn't seem very cold because it's actually meant to be a cooler. Keep it cool, but not cold. This appliance is a cooler, not a refrigerator. So that explains why it didn't feel very cold inside. Nice small TV, shelf above the TV. I think what's cool about the TV though is because it's an inside room, you could turn the volume down on that and kind of just point it away from the bed at night. At least then you have a little bit of light to kind of just give you a feel if you had to get up at night to go to the bathroom, you needed to get something, a drink or whatever, because it's an inside room. Again, there's no windows, it's pure darkness. And over here you got a couch, small coffee table, another full-length mirror. I will say the room is definitely outdated. There's no doubt about it. I'm gonna be straight up with you. The room is outdated. It is clean though, however. I don't see like dust as I'm touching things. It seems clean, but it's kind of got a yellowish look to it. This ship, by the way, was built in 2008 and refurbished in 2018. They do have some inside rooms that are brand new from 2018, which look a lot different. Anyway, you got some nice artwork here. This is actually two twin beds that are pushed together, and I think that makes a queen. I'd say this queen. A couple nightstands. We'll get over there and take a look at those. I do not believe this couch pulls out to a bed. Nah, doesn't seem to. Now, these are the bunks I was telling you about. You can see that this unlocks, and this would drop down. Looks like there's two of them, because there were two ladders. So you can actually accommodate 4 people. It'd be probably a little tight. But yeah, I guess you could. And you got some privacy here too as well. These can kind of get pulled over at night if somebody wants to sit out here. Not sure how great that would be, but I suppose though, if somebody was sitting out there and watching TV, you could pull that across. Let's take a look here at the lights. Oh, this is kind of neat. This is kind of cool. I like that. Looks like a smaller light. I'm not too sure where the... Okay, so you got like a reading light there. And it does move around. I like that. And there's the upper light. So that's pretty cool. You got a nightstand. I don't see outlets though. I'm not seeing outlets over here. So, not quite sure. So make sure you're gonna... that's one thing in this room I'm noticing. The only outlets I really see are over there. Roberta and Jake are back. They can help us finish up this nice in-depth tour. They found our luggage. And let's get over on the other side. Again, another light here. You got your phone. And a little beat up in there, but it's not dirty, just beat up. Maybe there's some outlets behind the couch, but I am not seeing outlets. Not a lot of outlets in the room. Nothing up here either. So there you have it, an in-depth tour of an inside room, room 8125, Independence of the Sea. My opinion, a little outdated, but I think if you're trying to come in cheap for a 3-night cruise, I think it's just fine, I would say. I don't think we're going to have a problem with it at all. But we'll let you know as the time goes by. But there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. And last but not least, see ya!